Roll out those lazy, hazy sock monkey days of summer, those days of soda and pretzels and beer. Ugh, I don't like beer. Hey everybody, it's me. It's Monday, Sock Monkey Monday. Whew. It is another one of those hot, humid days. The humidity is so bad that my hair is stuck to my collarbone and the back of my neck. And I don't really have anything important to talk about, or really anything to talk about. But I was thinking about this just about 20 minutes ago, or half an hour ago, when I was in the kitchen preparing salads for this evening's meal. And I was thinking to myself, why is it that in the summertime your husband will, desire a macaroni salad, potato salad, etc. Which is, yeah, they're yummy, but they involve boiling and stirring over a hot flaming stove. Why is that? Now today I prepared his favorite macaroni-based salad, and I thought that I was going to pass out right there in the kitchen. And so I could only make that and a tossed salad, and I'll have to make the potato salad tomorrow because I could only go as far as boiling the eggs. But it just seems very strange that people in the summer are always saying, oh, it would be so great to have a barbecue which involves flaming heat again, and I'm the barbecuer here, and potato macaroni salads. Summertime salads that make you stand over the stove to cook them. Sorry. Anyway, plus, yes, now here in Ontario, Canada, they have been, and in my city, they have been installing what is called smart meters. Smart meters for your electricity. And now they will be able to tell just when you're using your electricity. And they gave you a little fridge magnet to make things easier for you and let you know which are the good times and the bad times to be using your electricity. Use electricity wisely. And if we go by the chart, no time is a good time to put on your central air, do your laundry. We have to wait till, get this, between 9 p.m. and 7 a.m. Yes, and hubby is following the chart quite closely, asking me when I have done the laundry. Is the central air kicked on? So how was your weekend? Mine was great, hot, and watched my grandson play baseball, and came home and my head, because I forgot to take a hat, right? My head felt like my scalp was being shrunken, like somebody had taken it and freeze dried it. but not the freezing part, the hot, dry part. Oh, I'm not making any sense. And yesterday was the 2nd anniversary of the Toronto 888 YouTube meetup. Wonderful, wonderful time. If you ever get to go to any YouTube meetups, if they ever have them again, besides South 2, go to them. And Canada, come on, let's have another one. If I have to have it in my backyard, I will. But I'm not cooking any potato salad or macaroni salad. Love you all. Talk to you all soon. Bye for now.
I'm out of here.